An apple peeler core slicer is a marvelous kitchen gadget that takes the hassle out of preparing your favorite fruit. Say goodbye to tedious apple peeling and slicing by hand, and say hello to effortless apple enjoyment. With this remarkable device, you can transform your apples into perfectly peeled, cored, and sliced delights in a matter of seconds. It's like having a personal apple sous chef in your kitchen. Whether you're planning to bake a delicious apple pie, create a beautiful fruit salad, or just want a quick and healthy snack, this gadget is your go-to solution. It's a game changer for busy parents, bakers, and anyone who loves the taste of fresh, perfectly prepared apples without all the fuss. Intrigued? Stay tuned for our upcoming video, where we'll put the apple peeler core slicer to the test and show you how it works its magic. We'll share tips, tricks, and delicious apple recipes that you can whip up in no time. Don't miss out on this culinary innovation. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're the first to know when our video drops. Prepare to be amazed and inspired to create fantastic apple-based dishes with ease. Join us on this journey of culinary convenience, and let's make your apple peeling dreams come true, one slice at a time. Get ready to enjoy your apples hassle-free and experience the joy of easy, efficient cooking.